Good after morning. I'm just going to make a gusset for the horns. So I got a piece 3 inches. I just lay it out on the 1.5 inch mark right there. There's the horn. So I cut these down. Put it on there and just push on it. A mark. There's my mark. And over here we have an antique punch. So punch like, oh man, does that punch good. Look at that. And the other marks there. So we'll just loosen these off. They're just hand tightened. So now we just got to make a gusset here for this one. Or not a gusset, a gasket. Gasket. So just cut this to start with. Line it up like that. Push down. And it marks it. Whoops, it just pierced my cardboard. That didn't sound healthy. All right, so there's my 3. This is amazingly good, this thing. And they're 1/4 inch, quarter inch bolts. And I'm putting a 3/8 hole, so there's no way it's not going to fit. Okay, so now we throw that on there. There you go. And the only other thing is we've got that big carriage bolt in here, so I'm just going to mark that, cut that out. Probably push it down. The rubber seems to mark pretty easy. Oh yeah. I just cut a square hole. I just have to cut a little bit out on the edge here. This stuff cuts really easy. About as good as my fingers. Although that carriage bolt might be a little prouder than the rubber. So I'm just going to grind the top of it off. So there it is. I ground it so that it's the same thickness as the rubber, I hope. It looks like it's perfect. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.